Yeah, no, this is really good. Now you have to see how this is made. Hello, my people. Welcome back to venvenmusic and country life. Today, I'll be showing you how to make the best star fruit juice at home. Here it is, the star fruit. I'll show you how to make the best star fruit juice at home. Remember to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, leave your comments, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and your family, especially those who are struggling with cholesterol levels. You would want to introduce them to this juice. It does help to lower your cholesterol levels. It is rich in vitamins A, C, and B. It does boost the body's immune system and it promotes growth and repair of your body. And it also fights infection, struggling with digestion. This juice can help you with that. And it also helps with your high blood pressure levels. So you would want to include this juice in your diet. Come on, make this juice and reap the benefit. Thank you for staying with venvenmusic and country life so far. Yes, it's been a wonderful journey. Yes, my people. So now, we're gonna turn up the thing, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna make the thing louder. So come on, share my videos, leave a thumbs up. Yes, leave your comments, let your friends and your family join the venvenmusic and country life family and enjoy the journey. Yes, my people, that's it.